Hello, hello, hello. How are you? And welcome to Bima's Crafty Corner. I am Bima, better known as Els, and this is Monday Mixed Media Mini Morsels. I can get it. I know eventually I'm going to remember that. Right now I'm reading it. So basically, we use the same list that we do on Saturday night for our late-ish night mixed media, which we do every Saturday night here on the channel live. And we have 50 prompts on there right now. We could add stuff. If you have suggestion, let me know. You can get a copy of this if you would like a copy of your own list. And that's just so that you have an idea, you know, of what we're working with. Maybe you just want to make sure that I'm honest. But you can get a copy of this list by clicking on more in the description box, and there's a link to this down there. Now, we use a random number generator, and that way everybody stays nice and honest, and it's above board. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and pull 5 prompts because that's what mixed media is. It's 5 prompts. You can use these any way that you want, in any order that you want. It's very free flow. These are simply suggestions, okay? The first one is finger paint. Don't freak out. We're going to talk about all of these at the end. Number 47, which is outline. Number 36, ooh, alcohol inks or sprays. My hand's dyslexic today. 21, blue. And number 22, lines. All righty. So that is the 5 prompts for week number 9. I'm going to get this out of the way. Let's get this out of the way, and let's talk about these. Finger painting. So finger painting is basically that. Just put some paint down on, you know, your backboard, whatever it is, and then put your hand, get your fingers, and just have some fun. Maybe you want to do some flowers with your fingers. I don't care. Whatever it is you want to do, you have fun and get in there. I got to tell you, though, the most ridiculous thing I've ever seen was my big, giant biker son-in-law finger painting when he came over for mixed media one night. Outline. Just take a pen, a marker, chalk, whatever it is, maybe paint, I don't know, outline something, anything on your substrate. Alcohol ink or sprays, these can be, if you don't have like alcohol sprays, you can make simple ones by using permanent marker and some alcohol. Just put it in a little spray bottle. This one has mica powder in it. I got to do a video for these because we talked about it and I haven't done a video. We just did those live, you know, because I wanted to see if they worked. The color blue. Now this can be blue paint. It can be blue ink. It can be, I mean, that could be your alcohol ink. It could be blue. Who knows? Maybe you're finger painting in blue. I don't know. Lines. Maybe that is counting for your outline. It is entirely up to you however you want to use these. You can use all of them, none of them, add something to it. It's entirely up to you, but this is week 9, and you can get a copy of the list, as well as we would love to see your creation. So if you want to post it in the Facebook group, we would be ecstatic to see your art. Just click on more in the description, drop it down, and all the links that you're going to need are right there. So until I see you again, stay well, my friends. Bye-bye.